lot.
Well, open to the page.
You know what I think what they did was, they didn't print any obituaries for a few days, and then they just put them all in at once. You know? That's like,
Oh. Where'd it go?
a lot of them did pass away, it says in September 1st, but a lot of them were in August too. So I can see that, August, they just didn't print them yet. That's why it seems like they all died right now, yeah. There's like 15 of them were in August. I think I knew this lady.
Many people up there got any problems with that virus?
They say it's running rampant.